Managing data effectively in Azure is crucial for ensuring security, performance, and efficient access. Building on concepts such as configuring Azure storage firewalls, implementing shared access signatures, and establishing stored access policies, this slide focuses on how to leverage Microsoft Azure Storage Explorer and AzCopy. Both tools provide powerful ways to handle data in containers, tables, queues, and file shares. Azure Storage Explorer offers a graphical interface for various operations, while AzCopy provides command line capabilities for scripting. Using these tools effectively enhances control over access and data movement throughout your Azure environment without replication errors or manual overhead. Azure Storage Explorer is a standalone, cross-platform application designed to manage storage resources visually. It supports multiple account connections, enabling you to browse and interact with blob storage, file shares, queues, and tables from a unified interface. With integration for shared access signatures, SAS, and Azure Active Directory, it secures data access and simplifies collaboration. By delivering comprehensive functionality, such as uploading, downloading, and modifying files, Azure Storage Explorer serves both developers and administrators. It also supports advanced features like setting file-level permissions, managing snapshots, and customizing network rules for region-specific data compliance. This tool enhances streamlined and organized data operations. In order to begin using Azure Storage Explorer, download and install the application from the official Azure website. Once launched, connect to your subscriptions by signing in with your Azure credentials or by using connection strings. Alternatively, you can provide a SAS URI to narrow the scope of access to specific containers or file shares. After establishing a connection, you can manage multiple subscriptions and storage accounts in a single interface. The application also supports attaching local Azure storage emulators for testing. This setup ensures a seamless environment to securely organize, transfer, and monitor your data in the cloud. Azure Storage Explorer's interface includes a left pane listing connected subscriptions and accounts, and a main pane displaying the selected resource. To manage storage entities, expand the desired container or file share. The ribbon or context menu provides actions such as uploading files, creating directories, or adjusting access policies. You can also generate SAS tokens for individual files or entire containers, building on previously learned security concepts. Advanced features include snapshot management, which allows you to track and restore file states. This visual approach streamlines data workflows, aligning with best practices for secured, efficient, and organized Azure storage. AzCopy is a command line utility designed to streamline data transfers between local file systems and Azure storage services. It delivers high-performance, secure file copying while supporting a variety of data movement scenarios. You can synchronize directories, upload large data sets to blob storage, or copy snapshots between storage accounts. By leveraging key-based authentication or Azure Active Directory tokens, AzCopy adheres to the security principles established in earlier discussions. Whether employed in interactive sessions or automated scripts, AzCopy offers a robust, scriptable solution for reliable, large-scale data migrations, thus complementing Azure Storage Explorer's graphical approach to managing Azure resources. Installing AzCopy involves downloading the latest version for your operating system, Windows, Linux, or Mac OS, from Microsoft's official website. Once obtained, place the executable in a directory included in your system's path to enable straightforward command usage. For authentication, you can use shared access signatures or sign in with your Azure account via AzCopy login. This approach integrates seamlessly with your user's permissions, ensuring consistent policy enforcement. After installation, verify successful setup by running AzCopy version. Preparing your environment in this manner forms the foundation for advanced data manipulation tasks and secure file transfers within Azure. In daily operations, several AzCopy commands prove especially beneficial. The table below highlights some common commands. Command description. AzCopy copy SRC dest uploads or downloads data easily. AzCopy sync SRC dest synchronizes directories and changes. AzCopy remove resource deletes files or entire containers. AzCopy login authenticates via Azure AD credentials by leveraging parameters such as recursive and include pattern. You can refine data sets for selective transfers. This precision ensures minimal overhead, reduces redundancy, and maintains consistent security boundaries throughout your Azure storage environment. AzCopy supports a variety of authentication methods, aligning with Azure's security principles. For example, you can use a SAS token to restrict access to specific resources. Alternatively, Azure AD authentication lets you sign in using AzCopy login, which simplifies policy enforcement by leveraging your existing role assignments and stored access policies. This approach eliminates the need to store credentials and scripts and fosters a zero-trust model. Furthermore, AzCopy respects advanced identity-based features for Azure files, building on knowledge from prior modules. These flexible authentication options ensure robust, tailored protection for your critical data operations in Azure. Both Azure Storage Explorer and AzCopy address a wide range of data handling scenarios across development, archiving, and disaster recovery. You can quickly upload archived files to blob storage, preserving them in cost-effective access tiers, such as Cool or Archive. Developers might maintain shared code repositories, relying on snapshots for version control. Meanwhile, organizations often integrate AzCopy into CI/CD pipelines to automatically deploy static website content. In disaster recovery planning, large-scale data replication between storage accounts can minimize downtime. Furthermore, combining these tools with stored access policies ensures fine-grained data governance, aligning with compliance and business continuity requirements. To optimize transfers with Azure Storage Explorer and AzCopy, consider region alignment, network efficiency, and correct storage tiers. Placing compute resources near storage reduces latency and ensures low transfer times. Mitigate bandwidth constraints by scheduling large AzCopy operations during off-peak hours or using concurrency controls. For data that requires frequent access, selecting the hot tier accelerates read and write operations, while parallel uploads in AzCopy can significantly shorten processing timelines. Additionally, Azure Storage Explorer's monitoring tools help you observe usage patterns and potential throttling. By incorporating region-aware design and lifecycle management policies, your data operations become more efficient and secure.